Okay, so I finally got my Samsung wireless chargers, the convertible chargers, the new ones for the Samsung Galaxy S8 and the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So let's see what's in the box. I bought two of them because I want to have one at home and one at my office. So let's see. Not the nicest looking packaging. But as you can see, faster charging technology, 10-minute charging, 120 minutes of calling, 60 minutes of playing, and 50 minutes of texting, only for 10 minutes of charging. So that's nice. And let's see. Whoa, feels really nice. Feels like real leather or rubber or something. Feels really nice. I like that. Let's remove this. As you can see, convertible. Nice. The same here. Let's remove this. Convertible. Nice. What's more in the box? A quick start guide and a micro USB to USB Type-C dongle. Same thing here. Quick start guide and the dongle. As you can see here in Sweden, these chargers doesn't deliver with the cable and power plug to these wireless chargers, and that sucks really, because I only have one power plug and cable to the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus I have, so I can only use that cable with this wireless charger, but the one for my office I don't have a power plug and cable, so I need to buy that too. So that's really sucks. I've seen in other unboxing videos for these chargers, then for example for USA, then you get the charger and power plug and all things in the box. So I think that sucks. Okay, but I like the look of it and I like the feel of it. So hopefully I can manage to use them anyway. Okay, bye.